This is my world. Harsh, jagged, freezing. And I gotta say, it's awesome. It's got everything. Ice, rocks, ice, snow, ice. Got a lot of ice. Plenty of modern amenities. And the best part, everyone's happy. That's because our world is built on a foundation of stone.
Jagged. Rough and with sharp points.
On the other side is a 30-foot drop onto a jagged rock bed.
Amenity. A desirable or useful feature or facility.
Finally.
Potato Head, where are you going?
We're at a motel. I just want to check out the amenities. You know, the free stuff. Little soaps, shower caps, shampoo.
Oh, amigo. It pains me to say this. It truly does. But you leave me no choice. Disobeying the stones is a grave offense. From this day forward, you will be banished from the village. What? Until you are ready to stand before us all and tell us the truth.
Disobey. To refuse to do something that you are told to do.
No, there's no plank, but if you guys disobey me one more time, you will be off the ship. And you'll miss the International Music Awards. Do you understand?
Grave. Seriously bad.
There can be no doubt now. Queen Elsa is a monster, and we are all in grave danger. Prince Hans.
Banish. To send someone away and forbid the person to come back.
No! It's too late! We're banished, genius! We're in the human world!
One of us. And don't tell Gwangi I said this, but he's a bit paranoid.
Flame, are you talking about me?
You see what I mean? Kolka talks to rocks like they can hear her. Flame, shh. I've been told I'm pesky, annoying, and a real pain. But hey, who listens to their mom, right?
Where are you taking me?
Paranoid. Anxious because you do not feel you can trust others.
It's not our fault that the consumers are so paranoid about GM foods.
Pesky. Annoying or causing trouble.
Don't worry, I've made sure our reunion won't be disturbed by any pesky late-night phone calls. Commander.
What has happened to you? Where's the Percy Patterson who loved animals? Who inspired me to love them? Who had integrity?
I have integrity. Okay, yes, I've got to do one thing without integrity, and then I'll just be all integrity all the time. I will ooze integrity. I shall bathe in it. I will have a sports drink called integrity that I will endorse, not for free, but I will take that money and give it to charity.
Integrity. The quality of being honest.
The living embodiment of all this core represents. Bravery, integrity, grace under pressure.
Ooze. To flow slowly out of something.
Do we have any idea what is oozing out of these vases?
Endorse. To express formal support or approval for someone or something.
You're endorsing Ted Nugent for president? He's a right-wing rock star who likes everything I hate. Could there be...
We're under arrest for disturbing the peace, destruction of public property, discharging fireworks within the city limits, internet fraud, loitering, looking weird.
Discharge. To send out a substance.
Are you such a maladroit that you can't keep a firearm in the house without discharging it adventitiously?
Fraud. The crime of getting money by deceiving people.
Hell, I work for the company. It's my livelihood.
Oh, yeah? Well, your livelihood is based on fraud. Look at this. Huh?
Loiter. To stay in a public place without an obvious reason to be there.
Dude, they split an order of fries 3 hours ago and they haven't ordered anything since. Now they're just loitering.
They tricked you.